Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about talking a lot. The words that describe talking a lot: loquacious, garrulous, and voluble. They are all adjectives, and we're starting to break down the difference between them. Loquacious. Loquacious means that someone has a habit to talk a lot. For example, you can say that about children. There is two children. One is taciturn, and the second one is loquacious. It means that is taciturn doesn't like to talk at all, and the second one that is loquacious. Uh, it's his habit of character to talk a lot. The next word is garrulous. Garrulous has a slightly negative connotation because it implies that someone talking a lot about unimportant things. For example, there is a meeting, a business meeting, and we need to discuss very important topics, but someone decided to talk about a baseball game, how they watched the baseball game, and it has no point at all at this meeting because we're here to discuss business, not a baseball game. But they just decided to talk loud and a lot about it, and they just taking our time. We're here not to discuss a baseball game. It's not a priority. We need to discuss our business. And you can say that these people who are talking a lot about unimportant things uh, are garrulous people because it's a moot point to talk about. And the last word is valuable. Valuable has a positive connotation, and it implies someone who talks with enthusiasm and enjoying it. You can say that they are alive. For instance, scientists work a lot on their projects, and there is a lot of conferences, and you need to and when you have the floor on these conferences, for instance, you need to prove your idea, your works, which you got in your mind, etc. And you need to speak a lot and with enthusiasm. You need to persuade people. You need to be alive with your speech. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope my explanation was very useful to you. See you next time.